Are you over 60 and feeling like your muscles just aren't what they used to be? That your legs feel a little weaker, your knees a little stiffer, or that everyday movements take a little more effort than they used to? Well, don't give up your morning coffee just yet, because with one small addition, that peaceful cup of joe could become a secret weapon against muscle loss and sarcopenia. Yes, sarcopenia, that's the age-related muscle decline that can shrink your strength and limit your independence. But we're about to flip the script on that. For years, we've been told coffee dehydrates you, that it irritates your stomach, that you shouldn't drink it first thing in the morning. And maybe you've started to believe it's time to let go of that comforting habit. That little moment of peace before the day starts, the warm mug, the familiar aroma, the sense of being you again. But here's something no one told you, that same cup of coffee you've always loved? With one smart tweak, it can become a tool to support stronger muscles, better balance, and more energy well into your 60s, 70s, even 80s. Today, I'll show you exactly what to add to your coffee to fight inflammation, slow down muscle aging, and boost your energy without changing your morning ritual. And yes, this is all backed by real science, and totally doable in your own kitchen. Now I'm curious, what do you usually add to your coffee? Sugar? Cream? Just plain black? Let me know in the comments below. I read every one, and I love seeing what works best for each of you. So go ahead, pour yourself a fresh cup, because the first upgrade could change how far you're able to walk 10 years from now. Let's start with the first simple upgrade: add pure MCT oil to your morning coffee. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. It's a special kind of healthy fat that your body absorbs quickly, going straight to the liver where it's converted into ketones, a clean-burning fuel for your brain and muscles. And get this, after 60, your body doesn't process sugar into energy as efficiently as it used to. Your mitochondria, the energy centers in your muscle cells, start slowing down. That's where MCT oil shines. It bypasses all that, feeding your muscles directly, and keeping you energized without the crash. British actress and fitness advocate Gemma Atkinson, now in her 40s, swears by adding MCT oil to her coffee every morning. It helps her balance hormones, power through workouts, and stay energized throughout her day. If it helps her stay strong in such a demanding lifestyle, imagine what it can do for you. Now, before we get to the next powerful ingredient, I want to ask a quick favor. If you're enjoying this video so far, please click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that could change your health. Leave a comment with your favorite way to drink coffee, share this video with a friend or loved one, and be sure to watch to the very end, because the last tip might surprise you the most. So how do you use it? Simple. After you brew your coffee, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure MCT oil while it's still hot. You can use a spoon or a small milk frother to blend it in. It has almost no taste and won't affect the flavor of your coffee like coconut oil sometimes does. If you're new to it, start slow. Try half a teaspoon for the first few days to let your digestion adjust. After about a week, you can move up to a full teaspoon. And you can drink it before breakfast or with a light meal. It works either way. What matters most is daily consistency. That's what builds long-term protection against muscle loss. Over time, you might notice more stable energy, better focus, and less morning fatigue, all without needing expensive protein shakes or supplements. Just 1 teaspoon a day, stirred into the coffee you already enjoy. It's a small shift with a big impact. Next up, add hydrolyzed collagen, also known as collagen peptides, to your coffee. Now, I know collagen often gets mentioned for skin and beauty. But after 60, this isn't about vanity. It's about function. Collagen becomes critical as we age, especially if you're dealing with joint stiffness, sore muscles, or if your body just takes longer to bounce back after activity. Even Jennifer Aniston, now in her 50s, swears by collagen in her coffee every single morning. Sometimes she adds cinnamon or almond milk, too, not just for glowing skin, but for her joints, nails, and muscle recovery. And she's not just promoting a product. She said in interviews that collagen helps her feel stronger and more energized as she ages. And that's what this is really about, feeling strong again. The third upgrade? It's delightfully simple. Just add a pinch of cinnamon to your morning coffee. But don't let its cozy sweetness fool you. This everyday spice is a powerhouse, especially for protecting your muscles after 60. Take Kelly Clarkson, for example. After years of dealing with energy crashes and stubborn weight, she started adding cinnamon and MCT oil to her coffee as part of a clean living routine. She credits this simple change with helping her restore her metabolism, boost her morning energy, and maintain lean body mass, without harsh diets or extreme supplements. So why cinnamon? Here's the deal. One of the silent causes of muscle loss after 60 isn't just inactivity, it's insulin resistance. When your body becomes less responsive to insulin, it struggles to move glucose and amino acids into your muscle cells. That means your muscles are starved for nutrients, and over time, they start breaking down. But cinnamon, especially true Ceylon cinnamon, contains natural polyphenol, particularly one called cinnamaldehyde, that helps improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. In fact, a 2020 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that cinnamon extract taken for just 12 weeks helped older adults regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation, both key to slowing age-related muscle decline. When your insulin is working well, your body can retain and rebuild muscle. When it isn't, muscle breakdown creeps in. That's why cinnamon isn't just a flavor booster, it's a metabolic protector. Here's how to make it work. Add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to your hot coffee each morning. It blends beautifully with the aroma and taste you already enjoy. A few tips. Choose Ceylon cinnamon, not the more common cassia kind, which contains more coumarin, a compound that can stress your liver if taken in large amounts. Don't exceed 1 teaspoon a day. Always stir it into hot liquid to help your body absorb the nutrients effectively. Just like it did for Kelly Clarkson, this tiny ritual can make your mornings more stable, more energized, and better for your muscles. Because sometimes, what's in your cup matters more than what's on your plate. Last but not least, let's talk about one of the most delicious ways to protect your muscles after 60. Add a spoonful of natural nut butter to your coffee. Sounds strange? You're not alone. But celebrities like Harry Styles and Shailene Woodley, both big believers in holistic health, are fans of this bulletproof style ritual. They add healthy fats like almond or hazelnut butter to their morning coffee for steady energy, mental clarity, and hormone balance. And while they're younger, the science behind this habit makes it even more powerful for older adults facing muscle decline and hormonal changes. So what makes nut butter so special? It's the healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, that help stabilize muscle cells, reduce inflammation, and support your body's ability to make key hormones like testosterone and DHEA. These are essential hormones that naturally decline with age, and they're critical for preserving muscle mass. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that diets high in healthy fats helped older adults preserve lean muscle and reduce protein breakdown. Plus, nut butters like almond and hazelnut are packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and manganese, a trio that supports mitochondrial energy, muscle repair, and blood sugar control. So here's how to do it. Stir 1 teaspoon of natural nut butter into your hot coffee after it's brewed. If you're using a French press or drip machine, just wait until the coffee is ready, then mix it in. It creates a rich, creamy texture that pairs perfectly with cinnamon or collagen. In fact, combining all three, MCT, collagen, and nut butter, makes for a next-level coffee ritual. Be sure to choose a natural, unsweetened nut butter with only one ingredient, finely ground nuts. No added sugar. No seed oils. No artificial thickeners. Almond butter is mild and perfect for beginners. Hazelnut butter has a rich, nutty flavor that's great with dark roast. Bonus benefit? Nut butter helps slow caffeine absorption, giving you smoother, longer-lasting energy without the crash, something we especially appreciate after 60. Not everyone wakes up hungry. But this? 1 spoonful of nut butter in your morning coffee gives you strength, hormones, and energy, all in 1 cup. After 60, strength doesn't come from lifting heavy weights at the gym. It comes from the small, smart choices you repeat every single day. A teaspoon of MCT oil, a scoop of collagen, a pinch of cinnamon, or a swirl of nut butter, all blended into a ritual you already love. There's no miracle drug. But these small, consistent habits, supporting your hormones, reducing inflammation, protecting your muscles, these are the real secrets to strength in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. And the best part? You don't have to change your entire life. Just start with your coffee. So tell me, what will you add to your cup tomorrow? Leave a comment below, I'd love to know, and I'll respond with tips that fit your body and goals. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and tap that like button, it helps others find this content too. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Here at Health Every Day, we believe growing older is the start of new strength. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.